Ahí está el video.
Welcome to Viviana Sportfishing and welcome to Cabo San Lucas. Look at me. Today I'm coming to you from the marina. Today is June 20th, 2020 and it's great to be back. Boy, you know, the smell of the ocean down here and just being down here on the water is absolutely fabulous after 3 months. We did open up on Monday. Monday, June 15th was our first day of work. I did have a charter that day and I had one more during the week as well. Obviously very slow down here. You know, not much going on, not many people, but we did have 2 charters and boy, there's a lot of fish out there, guys. Marlin like crazy down on the Sea Cortez side, 95s, 1150s, and even further. On Monday, the Second Chance went out for a half-a-day trip and they released a marlin. On Thursday, the Viviana 4 went out. They went out a full day and went 3 for 3 for striped marlin. So it's great out there, guys. You know, nobody's fished our waters for 3 months, so it's wide open for fishing right now. Hopefully, you know, as time goes on, more and more people will come down. As of yesterday, they did open up for water taxis and tours of the arch and so on. So now it's pretty much game on, guys. You know, it's business as usual. We're obviously all at limited capacities, but things are up and running and it is gorgeous, guys. Today I'd say we're in the mid 80s, a little breeze, but nothing to write home about. It's just beautiful. So you guys can come on down. We don't have too many pictures for you this week because, you know, like I said, it's been slow. Only a couple boats went out for the week, but I do have marlin pictures for you guys. And it's wonderful to be back. It really is. And like I said, hopefully as time goes on, more and more people will show up. I know that there's a couple new flights starting next week and the week after from, I believe, the East Coast area, direct flights down here to Cabo. So that should pick things up as well. So that's kind of it. It's great to be back, guys. And again, this is my happy face. You guys can always call me, 800-270-7804. I'm happy to answer any questions, you know, on our new protocols, what's open, what's not open, what you can do while you're here, what you can't do while you're here. I'll try to answer all your questions for you. vivianasportfishing.com. And you guys are doing awesome at following me on our YouTube channel, Facebook. It's all good, guys. So come on down to Cabo, you know, come on down, enjoy the weather, and you don't have to worry about crowds, that's for sure, because nothing is full right now. It's if any of you like to be, you know, down here when it's super quiet, well, that's what you got. It's super quiet. But again, it's great to be back in working again. So hopefully we'll see you down here, guys, soon, and otherwise we'll see you down here next week. Same time, same channel. And we'll see you soon, guys. Thanks. Bye.